It's been about a day, and you can see most of the stuff just washed away. Like, it's almost like all of the buildup is gone now. That was, I could use a brush to really get it out of there, but yeah, this is pretty clean now. Try to rinse out most of that vinegar solution. Also, in the main reservoir, you can see, try to pour this out. Rinsing this out with some hot water here. You see all of the mineral debris. Made some good progress. Looks got most of it off of there. I scraped it a little bit, but yeah, for the most part, that heating element was completely encased in mineral crust, and now it's been looking pretty clean in there, besides a faint whiff of the vinegar solution, but yeah, not bad. Next, I will reassemble. We're going to take this little float part, goes right in there like that. Lets the unit know to stop when it runs out of water. Here is this, not really sure what this part does, but it sits here on top of the, it sits right there on top of the heating element. Has this little red thing that holds it into place, and then last but not least, there's this long chimney unit that the steam vents out through here, I guess, to prevent these lower density plastic from getting warped, perhaps. Alright, so you just place that in there and it locks into place. Like the little clicks into place there. Alright, the unit is reassembled. We're going to fill it with water. Last but not least, here is the lid. Alright, so there you go. I'm going to fill this with water. We should be good to go. Top her off with liquid, and let's see. There you go. She is working. Alright, thanks for watching. It's your Honeywell HWM440/445 humidifier.